Today, I took a short position on Nvidia, and I want to explain to you why I took the trade, how I was able to profit, and how you guys can replicate this within your trading by the end of this video. Now, the first thing we're going to preface this with is that if you want to understand this concept much more detail, go and take our free course. The link is going to be in the description. We're looking at a 1-minute chart here. And one of the things that I focus on heavily within my trading system is market structure. Market structure is simply the cadence or the overall movement of the market. The one thing that you'll notice is the market is never going to go directly up without ever having some type of pullback. And once again, it's not like the market's going to just go consistently down without having some type of rebound. Now, what we look for here is to mark off our most recent highs, which this would have been up here at $123.26, and mark off our most recent lows, which is down here at $124. What we'll do is take a Fibonacci retracement from that swing high to that swing low, and we will look for what's called our smart money area. Now, the smart money zone, the actual settings are within that course, but it's basically the 0.786 to the 0.826. This is the area in a downtrend that normally price will bounce to before making another potential rejection to test an equal low. So what we look for is price to come up inside of this smart money level, and we look to go short right there. Now, the area that we would normally set a stop loss at would be a break of this previous high. Because remember, like if we move out and we look at Nvidia, obviously Nvidia is bullish here. Now you have to understand that at the time on the 1-hour chart, Nvidia was very bullish, but we still were not taking out those highs. So there's a very good chance here that price is most likely going to end up rejecting in this smart money level before moving its way back down to an equal support and then finding a bottom. It's within this area that I decided to tell my private academy members that I was going to enter Nvidia October 11th $122 puts. My stop loss would have been $123.30 with a take profit of around $122. Now, you'll see that price didn't perfectly reject at that area. If we actually allow this to play out, you're going to see that price starts to reject, pushes up through that area, and then holds. Now, this is what's called a stop loss hunt. So you have to understand that in most cases, when we're in a downtrend, most market participants are going to try to short within this area. They're going to short prematurely. And so what smart money does, or institutions, is they purposefully drive the stock up through everybody's stop losses, right? Everyone's stop losses are set within the institutional and the smart money area. They drive price through that area, kill everybody who's holding shorts, then they take the short position at the top and they ride it back down. This is why we did not end up closing this trade, because I knew that structure hasn't broken, right? Look at this. We still have not taken out that high of $123.30. So even though we're getting consolidation and a little bit of bullish momentum, it doesn't mean that we're going to break out. It's not until we actually push over that level that the breakout will be confirmed. So you'll see that we end up getting our sell-off here. We even made a little head and shoulders pattern. And then from this point, I'm looking to take profits at $122. So I took half of my puts off the table right down here at this equal low, was wait until price closed for the day. But then what I decided to do was wait until see what happened at closure today to see if we had pushed through that area. So you'll see that, there's a chance that Nvidia could be bullish tomorrow, could finally make this breakout. And I do think that the breakout's going to occur. But ultimately, I'm still holding my put because it has not taken out that high. So there's still a chance that price can reject within this area, sell back off down to 121, 121.50, and within this range. That would be a very, very good profit for me. And here's the best part, right? Even if that plays out, the bull side could still be intact. I mean, if we look at the 1-hour chart, you're going to see that we're still in an uptrend, but look, BX trender is showing lower highs, which is a sign that a pullback might occur. So what I'm assuming to happen is that Nvidia is going to sell off tomorrow in the next couple of days, maybe down to 121.50, worst case $121. I do think it will bounce off of this level on the 1-hour market bias, and I do think that price will push its way back up within the next couple of weeks. But at this point, I'm going to continue to hold my Nvidia puts until we break over $123.50. If you want to learn more about all of the indicators that you see in this video, as well as the proprietary settings and the step-by-step trading system that I've built, you can take all of our courses completely free with the link in the description.